Hi there, and welcome to InstantGMP Training. In this quick session, we're diving into how to create a material requisition using the Inventory Management module. You'll learn how to build a requisition, get it signed and approved, and prepare it for receiving. Let's get started. First, open up the requisition screen. Click Add New Record to begin. Choose your vendor from the drop-down. If this order is tied to a specific project, you can link it here, otherwise, it'll go to your general inventory. You can also set optional dates like the order by date or an expected fulfillment date. The ship to and bill to fields pull from your contact list. If you need someone outside the system to approve the order, it's no problem. InstantGMP lets you send a signature request via email, so they don't need to log in. Next, click Add Material Requisition to add your first item. Click the update arrow to select your material. If the material has preset info like a vendor part number, catalog number, unit factor, or cost, it'll autofill. Now just plug in the quantity and unit. If you need a material safety data sheet, check the MSDS box. Want a certificate of analysis included? Check that box too. Need to order more than one item? Just hit Add Material Requisition again and repeat the steps. Once you're done, sign and confirm the requisition. You'll land on the summary screen, where you'll see all the materials you've ordered. There's also a box for the approver to sign off. Click the print icon next to each item to generate a purchase order. You can print it or send it by email directly to purchasing. Think of a requisition as the first step toward a purchase order. Every time you need materials from a specific vendor, you'll start with a requisition. It's required before anything can be received into inventory. And that's it, you've just created and submitted your material order. In the next session, we'll walk through how to receive your materials and update their inventory status. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.